This convenient and portable kit contains everything needed to efficiently track victims from incident to intended destination. Let's review the contents first. All kit components are stored inside a large storage clipboard with a convenient carry handle. The kit also includes a total of 40 evacuation tags. 36 of these tags are standard disaster evacuation tags. 4 of the included tags are special needs evacuation tags. Also included are 4 evacuee receipt holders. Each sheet stores up to 10 evacuee receipts. Lastly, the kit contains 2 pens, which allows you to begin using the kit right away, without having to search for resources. Using the kit is simple and concise. Distribute evacuation tags to evacuees. Store 1 receipt from each evacuation tag, and document evacuee information on receipt holder. Prior to evacuees leaving the incident, be sure to remove the destination receipt and document destination and transportation information, such as vehicle number. Document destination information and off-scene time once transport leaves. Ensure that all receipts are matching in the receipt holders to finalize evacuee tracking. Have a scribe with you as you apply the tags. This allows you to notate evacuee information and store the receipts without losing time or important details. Proactively discuss best practices for different types of scenarios and kit implementation. If you have any questions or would like to receive further information, please contact your local sales rep or see the links in the video description.